Okay, 14 students till now. Okay, let me share my screen, okay? So, I guess the introduction of string is clear to everyone. Do you have any doubt? Just ask, okay? So, string is just one dimensional array of characters and it always terminates with null character which you can represent with this symbol backslash then 0. Okay, so whenever you want to do any string operations, remember to include string.h header file. Okay, there are lots of functions involved for string, like you can combine two strings, you can reverse a string, you can copy one string to another string and all. So for all these string operations, there are different functions. Okay, so to use those functions, you need to include sorry, my pen fall down. So yeah, so to perform all types of string operations, you need to include this header file. Okay, so now to declare a string, you have two options. Okay, either you can declare the string with character by character, then you need to explicitly include the null character, or you can just declare a string like this with double quote. Okay, then you don't need to include the null character here. Here automatically null character will be included. So I guess this is a better option so that you don't forget the null character here. Okay, so since string is basically the array of characters, the data type will be always character. Okay, remember that. So if it is an array, you can represent it like this. Okay, it will always involve the strings like your names, address, anything, and in the end there will be always a null character, this. Okay, so size of this string is like 4. Okay, so if you are initializing an array array of string or characters, then you have to make sure that you also provided a space for the null character. Otherwise, it is also fine that you just keep it null. Okay, but if you want the user to put any strings, suppose you want to take name from the user, in that case you don't know what could be the possible size of the string, then in that case you should not keep it blank. Okay, always provide some numbers there. Up to this part, any confusion? So these are your correct way of initialization. Then invalid can be like your character, suppose ch 3 equal to hello. This is invalid. Why invalid? Why this one is invalid? Just tell me. Why is it is an invalid declaration? Or
From
is it?
size
More
of
than 3.
Yes, correct. Hello word contains more than 3 size. Here you have initialized just 3. So it's incorrect. And another way can be like character string 4. This is also invalid because you did not provided any value here. It is more like an array. You cannot do that also. Okay, so this is also invalid, or you can also cannot write like this. This is also invalid. Okay, so correct way will be character ch, either you can just give it h, e, l, l, o, then null character, or character ch, hello. This is correct. This is correct. Or you can also write character ch10 hello. This is also correct. You can put any number here, 10, 100, 50, 4, anything, but not 3. It should not be less than the actual size. Okay, clear up to here? Okay, so to work with the string, it has a particular identifier or format specifier. So like, which is point S. Okay, so this is your format specifier for strings. Like for int, we use %d, for float, we use %f. Similarly, for the strings, the format specifier is %f. So you can, if you use scanf function, to take any input, then you have to mention S, then maybe this one, CH, then. Okay, and press CH10. Okay, if you use scanf, then the format specifier will be %s. So with the help of scanf, you can take input. Okay, then there are 2 more functions by which you can take input and display operations strings. One is, see, for normal string input, string in input and output, one method is just printf and scanf function, and second is puts and gets. Okay, so to take the input or show the output, if you work with the string, then either you can use printf and scanf, or you can use puts and gets. Okay, so if you use printf or scanf thing, then you need to specify %s as your format specifier. But if you use puts and gets, then no need to provide the format specifier. Okay, so you can write something like, if you use printf, person F, maybe the string name, okay, just string. Or you can, if you use puts, then it will be puts string. Okay, here this person S not required. Okay, if you use puts, but if you use printf, then person S is required. Okay, similarly, if you use scanf, you have to provide this person F string, then equivalent function is your gets. Okay, gets string. Okay, no need to provide this person F. Okay, so if you want to write a program for string, suppose you just want to take name, then the program will be include stdi, of course. Just showing both. Okay, if you are working with printf and scanf, you directly use this one, and if you are going to use with gets and put, you can just include one, still it is fine. Okay, include string.h, but whenever you use it, remember to use string.h. Okay, so in main, so suppose I want to just show my name. Okay, so character name, let's take the size 20. Okay, I'm going to take input from the user. Okay, so one way to write, I'm just showing the both ways. Printf, enter your name. So if you use scanf, then you can just write scanf person S and name. Okay. Then if you want to display the name, then you can just write printf person S and your name. Sorry, ampersand is missing name. Okay. And return 0. Okay. This is one way to write, or the same program you can write like same program equivalently. You can write instead of this, you can write character name is same. Here you can write puts, enter your name, then gets name. Okay, then you want to display the name, then again puts name. Okay, then return 0. Got it? Clear the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this gets and puts is only for string.h.
Yes, if you want to work with gets, but anyways, you need to, whenever you are going to work with string, always put this header file string.h. Okay, because there are various functions. I'm going to mention it now, just showing the difference between printf puts, scanf gets. Okay. So printf equivalent to puts here and gets is equivalent to scanf here. For displaying, you can use puts, and to read the input, you will use gets. Okay.
Yes.
Any confusion till now? If not, then I'll just move to the functions. Just see one more time. Just remember that this get function will take the string with white space. Okay, it always considered a white space, but in scanf sometimes it will not consider the white space. Okay, so if you use scanf function, then it will terminates when it hits the first white space. White space means the gap. The space bar one is your white space. Okay, so it terminates its input on first white space. But this gets, which will read your program or a character string with string, reads character string with white space. Okay. Okay. So I hope it's clear to everyone. White space means this is a white space, the space between reads and character. This space between string and with. This is known as your white space. Okay, now let's come to various operations or string handling functions. So there are some functions, for example, strlen, starlen. Okay, so this function is used to show the length of a string. Shows length of a string. Start length. Length means length of the string. Okay, then there is start cat. It's used to join two numbers or combine numbers or concatenate two numbers. Combine, concatenate two strings. For example, one string can be hello, then the second string can be world. So if you want to combine these two words, hello world, then you can use start cat. Okay, so if you use start cat, then it will be like hello world together. Another is, I'm just giving you the famous one, means the popular one. Okay, there are lots of string functions you can use. The basics are, I'm just showing them. Star copy, strcpy. It simply copies one string to another. Okay, then another one is strcmp. It compares two strings. Okay, compare two strings. Okay, so another very important one is strref. Okay, so this is mainly used to reverse a string. So these are the basics. There are lots of other functions you can explore yourself, but these are the basics. At least you should know this type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least know these 5 types. Star length, star cat, star copy, star compare, and star revise. Okay. So suppose if you are using the star cat one, okay, this is just to remember, okay, just remember what it does. I guess from the name itself, it's very obvious what type of functions, what type of options it can do. Okay, so suppose you are using this star cat function, it will be like, just like I said, suppose string one is your hello. So hello will be like, okay, the null string is there, of course, just showing hello. Then string 2 may be your world. Okay, you can just imagine it in the one. Then new string, after if you use string, maybe you can consider like str cat string 1 and string 2. Okay, this is the syntax. So the output will be hello world. Okay, either you can do like this, maybe you can just put it in another variable, or you can directly also write like star cat, just write two strings hello and world, still it will give hello. Okay, clear? Okay, so let's see the star length one. Okay, if you are using star length, this is just very simple one, str length. You can just put the string here like hello. Okay, and it will give you the answer. Okay, then star compare will be like cmp. You can write hello and the world. Okay, it will give you the ASCII difference, ASCII ASCII difference. Okay, okay, ASCII code is your American Standard Association index number. So you are very welcome to find out what is ASCII. Okay, this is kind of your homework to find out what is ASCII code. Okay. Anyone has any idea about ASCII? ASCII. Okay, so can you tell me, Jasa, what is it?
Ma'am, it represents the text in computer.
Yes. So for every decimal number or number, it provides a code. Okay. So for every decimal number, there will be a binary code, and for that, there will be a particular character. So if I'm saying ASCII, that means for H, there will be a value, then there will be value for E, there will be value for L, and 0. Okay. So the combined value for hello for each character and combined value of the world will be divided. Okay. So you can explore it more. It's your task. Okay. Next is your star copy. strcpy. What it will do is that it will basically copy the second string argument to the first string. Okay, that means you can see, like, suppose your there is a string, just example of string 20, and there is another string 2, which is another 20 maybe. Then you can do like strcpy. Then you can mention the string here as one, maybe hello. Okay. Then you can do strcpy s2 s1. Okay. Then if you print this s2 value, you will see hello. Okay. That means you have initialized, suppose, two strings, just initialization. Of course, you will have to write character and all, not like this, character s1 and character s2. Okay. So when you use str copy, that means this hello is copied to s1. Now the value of s1 is equal to hello. Okay. Then in next star copy, what you are doing, you are just copying the value of s1 into s2. Okay. So after this, the value of s2 will also become hello. Okay. Then what will be star reverse? Star wave function, what it will do, suppose your string is hello, again just take the hello. Then after using str waves, then you can just write star ref str1. Okay, if you just like, looks like I'm cutting it. Wait, it's a bit slow. Okay, str star ref str1, then your answer will be OLLEH, is the complete opposite of the particular word. Okay. Ma'am, my network, I can't, okay. Understood all this one? Okay. Others respond, please. It's like only one person or two keep answering. Sukarna said yes. Jinnan said yes. Okay. Okay. Then let's just see some programs. Then let me stop sharing this one. I'll just share the program code. Can you see the screen?
Not yet, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, sorry, ma'am. No, no.
See, let me try to. Can you see the screen? Just copy pasting my so. Okay, so this is the program. Let me run it. So it's asking to enter name. So if I write name, then it will show the name. Okay. So for the star comp, suppose you want to display, okay, then you can here add name str len name. Yes, name is Smita. I didn't show because I didn't put any variable name here. I have to show, means I have to display the variable tool, but here I didn't show it. You can just write add plus. First, we need to just add equal to star and I, then write I equals name, and just write name. So the length of this string, my name is 7. Okay, this is the way you can find the length of the string. So suppose here you are initializing another variable j. Okay, now I can do one more thing. I can just copy the value, but I have to initialize another string. Okay, so my name is in character name here. Then I can initialize another character as 1, for example, and size is 30 again, maybe. Okay, so I can do this like star copy star cpy. Then you have to first write a variable. Okay, it's going to end soon. S1, comma, name. Printf person as S1. Smita 7. See, S1 is Bismita. Here you can write S1 is equal to person S, then name S1 is Bismita. Okay, is this clear? Both. That means S1 was empty initially. So whatever name I'm putting here using the star copy, I'm just copying the value of name into S1. Okay, clear to everyone? So for your task will be to find the programs, how it works for the star reverse and all. Clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
বুঝি পাইছা ন? So this is going to end soon. So I'm stop sharing and please switch on your videos again. Let me take the attendance. Okay, it's about to 4. Ako fight কৰিব আছে for the slots. Switch on your videos first. I hope this part is clear to everyone. Then you guys check what are the other functions like star reverse and then all. Try yourself, okay? If you don't try yourself, you won't understand. Okay. Baki ji koila. Okay, I'm ending the record, okay? I'm ending the meeting now. I hope everyone is clear. I just do. Thing. Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
If
you,
you have
ma'am.
any doubt, you can post in the group and try out the programs. Okay? Thank you.
Okay.